Hey guys, so I'm super excited because I got my BoxyLuxe, which it just says BoxyCharm on the front. I wish that it would say like Lux right here or something like that. Maybe it says something cool on the inside. Anyways, I'm really excited. I literally just went and grabbed this. I actually got it yesterday, but it came like really late, so I didn't get a chance to grab it. And I'm super excited. It has the UN like thing right here, which means that there's some kind of battery in here. So I'm hoping that it's that straightener because I did request to get the straightener. I don't know what else is in here. I haven't watched anyone else's videos, so let's go ahead and get into it. Me and these scissors right now. Let's go ahead and get into it because I'm so excited. Yay! I'm sure you're all gonna be like, what? Calm down, girl. But yeah, I have no idea what's in here. I'm super excited. And it feels like heavy. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I didn't know what's in the regular box. I didn't know what's in anything. Oh my gosh. So whenever you open it, like, dang it. Whenever you open it, you see that there's like a big BoxyCharm like pamphlet in here. This is so crazy. So yeah, the first thing you see is this pamphlet, which is humongous. This is like the size of my legs. And it says, "'Tis the season, BoxyLuxe," like this. So that's pretty cool. And then it says everything that's in here. It has like a little picture right here. Very cute. There's all the discounts on the back. It smells really good inside of this box. And then I guess this is the limited warranty, whatever. I'm just gonna pick the first thing. So the first thing is that mini hair straightener, which I don't even use my regular hair straightener, but I thought, you know, why not? Maybe I can give it as a gift. So it looks like it's by Pretty Young Thing. It's a Girls World. It comes in a really nice case with Velcro. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so adorable. Look at this. Guys, this is like perfect for your bangs. This is so cute. Look at this. I'm gonna try to show you this side. This is adorable. Oh my gosh. Have you guys seen the hair straighteners where they plug into the car? Because that's pretty cool too. This is so cute. Okay, so this box is so freaking huge. I swear it's like 8 pounds or something. The next thing that I'm pulling out of here is whatever this is. So this must be what smells really good inside the box. So this is by Spongel, Blossom Bliss, and it is, did I say Blossom or Blossom? It's a body wash infused buffer, which is what I've gotten from BoxyCharm from them before. And I actually never ended up using the other one, so I should totally use this one. Whoa, 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 whoa. What just happened? Yeah, this smells really, really good, but I think it'd be too strong for me, so I might give this away. As you guys, I love giving stuff away. Oh my god, no way! This is so awesome! So I'm gonna take it out of this plastic really quick. So this is a Luxie brush set. I knew having BoxyCharm would pay off for me. Oh my god, look at this. So it comes out of the cute little unicarton. There's like 8 brushes in here. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you guys like this and you'll be able to see it a little bit better. So here's the brush set. Luxie brushes are the best brushes. Do I already have this brush? Is this the one that we've had before? No, but it's similar. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I'm in love. What is this? Excuse me, what are you? What is this? Oh, it's a lip brush. Wow, that's really cool. So your lip brush comes in this like little container so that you don't get anything dirty in case you want to take it with you. It's a little traveling case. That is so cute. I think this is just like worth it for me. Worth it. Okay. And then the next thing that I'm taking out of here is gonna be this thing that says Glam AF. This might be a makeup bag or like a wallet or something. Let's see. Yeah, so it looks like a little like wallet in my opinion. Oh my god, there's a thing in here. What is this? Is this a charger? What is this? There's just surprises everywhere. What are you? No freaking way. So there's like a little charger in here and it says Crimes of Beauty. And it's a little portable charger. Oh my gosh. They outdid themselves on this. I love BoxyCharm. Anyway, this bag is like pretty big. The next thing I'm pulling out is by Wander Beauty, and this is Wanderess Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. Let's just see what the inside looks like. So apparently it has 3 different colors in here. The packaging is so pretty. I mean, why make the palette this big if you're not going to use the entire palette? But it does look pretty. I'm going to put it in a giveaway because I'm not interested in it. This is so exciting. Oh my god. This is like Christmas. So the next thing that I have in here is something by Elemis, which I'm shocked that this is in here because Elemis is kind of like, not expensive, but it's kind of like up there in price. It's a Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. And the packaging just looks like this. Let me see what some of the prices are for you guys. So the brush set is regular $65. The Spongel is $20. That Elemis cream is $89. The Wander Beauty highlighter is $26. To me, that seems a little bit expensive for like such a small pan. In my opinion, like you should make palettes smaller if you want to use small pans, but whatever they want. And then the Crimes of Beauty, $22, and it's the wristlet and the charger. And then that straightener is $75. Oh my freaking goodness. So there is a Violet Voss palette in here. Does this have a cut in it? No way. Okay, whatever. Oh my god. So there is a Violet Voss palette in here, like a full Holy Grail palette. I have that palette right next to me. Where is it? Yeah, so I have that palette right here. And I absolutely love this palette. It's really, really gorgeous and everything blends really awesomely. So I'm wondering if I should do a giveaway with this, because I didn't know it was going to be in here. It does have like a little cut right here on the box, but I'm assuming that the packaging is fine because it's not open. So yeah. If you think I should do a giveaway with this, then you should go ahead and comment on this video, and we'll see who gets to, you know, benefit from watching my videos. And then, let me see. So there's 2 more things in here. So I have a Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint from Tarte in the color Insta Famous.
Insta Famous. Where do I remember hearing that?
Wow, this is pretty. So this is that Tarteist. So here's that Tarteist lip paint in the glossy one. It looks really pretty. Okay, and then the other thing that's in here looks like a mascara. What are you? Yeah, so this is a Grande Cosmetics mascara, lash boosting. The packaging of this feels like a bullet, and I don't want to open this because I don't want to get air in it because I'm not going to use it yet. But yeah, this looks awesome. Okay guys, so that was super exciting. Like I said, if you want to have that as a giveaway, comment on this video and I will think about it. I probably won't think about it. I'll probably do it. But yeah, go ahead and comment on the video, like the video, and yeah. So have a great night, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!